Okay, Beth, this is the entrance, the front door. It's the living room. Kind of small. And this is the dining room. And a very small backyard, but it would work with us to find a unit that has a bigger backyard. Kitchen is huge. And of course we'll run upstairs real quick. Now this is a 4-bedroom unit, so you have the bathroom here. One bedroom. Kind of limited on the closet space. Another bedroom. It's kind of big bedroom. Nice. And another bedroom. And what's special about this one, it's a little smaller room, but guess what? It has a bonus room. So it has, it could be a playroom or a computer room or whatever you want it to be. Alright. So that's that for now. Alright.